Just picture this, a big field brimming with beautiful ripe crops, waiting to be gathered. But what happens if we don't gather those crops in time? It will spoil, it will decay, it will rot. The thing is, in spiritual terms, the field is the world, and the harvest represents people ready to hear and respond to the gospel. You see, their hearts have been prepared by God, even though you might not see the full extent of His work in their lives. This reality presents both an incredible opportunity and a sobering challenge. While the harvest is ready, God lacks one thing. Yes, God's lacking one thing, and this is laborers. He's lacking workers. He isn't just talking to pastors. He isn't just talking to missionaries or evangelists or church leaders. He's talking to everybody. He's talking to all believers. He's talking to you and to me. If you follow Jesus, you are called to participate in the gathering of the harvest. You don't need a degree in theology. You don't need a perfectly rehearsed presentation of the gospel. What you need is a willing heart, a smile, and the courage to step out of faith. You see, God's work in preparing the harvest isn't something we initiate. It's something we join. It's a command, actually. Now, consider the people you encounter each and every day. Consider the people that you encounter. Family, friends, co-workers, students, or even your neighbor. These are your mission field. When you engage them and share God's love, you're helping to bring in the harvest. Start by praying for God to open your eyes to the opportunities around you. Ask Him to soften your heart towards those who really need to hear the gospel. Then step out into His field with faith, trusting that He has already prepared the heart. He has already prepared the way. Sharing the gospel may not always yield immediate results, but every faith conversation, act of love, or prayer is a seed sown in the kingdom. The harvest is ready, but are you ready? We cannot afford to ask God to send us across the seas if we haven't even been across the road. Bless you.